Karma Guy here, and I'm excited to show you this incredible 2014 Toyota Sienna XLE minivan, handicap equipped, with a fully powered rear ramp and only 54,000 miles. It has a clean dealer service history, and we've invested over $225 in recent service, including wipers, cabin air filter, and a thorough pre-delivery inspection. Plus, it's dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty and a discounted 5-year maintenance plan. We understand that purchasing a car is a big decision, and with the Sienna, you get peace of mind. Just keep in mind, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status and warranty, but you can upgrade to a lifetime warranty at a discounted rate when you buy. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Don't settle. Drive with confidence in the Toyota Sienna XLE.